Ever wondered how scientists determine the composition of that mysterious substance they've just discovered? Or how they measure the levels of pollutants in our waterways? The answer, my friends, lies in the fascinating world of analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry, in simplest terms, is the science of identifying what is in a substance and how much of each component is present. Imagine you're faced with an unknown liquid in a flask. You're curious. You want to know what's in it. This is where analytical chemistry comes in. The techniques you'd use to identify and quantify the components of that liquid. That's the essence of analytical chemistry. Take a moment and think about a cake. A cake is made up of several ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and perhaps a few others. Now, if you were to take a slice of that cake and analyze it, you could determine the amount of each ingredient present. That's exactly what analytical chemists do, but with substances far more complex than a cake. Analytical chemistry is divided into two main branches: qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative analysis answers the question, what is in the sample, like determining whether there's chocolate or vanilla in our cake. On the other hand, quantitative analysis answers the question, how much is present, like figuring out how much sugar is in the cake. Various techniques and methods are employed in analytical chemistry. Spectrophotometry, for instance, uses light to measure the concentration of a substance in a sample. Chromatography, another common technique, separates the components of a mixture to analyze them individually. In the grand scheme of things, analytical chemistry plays a crucial role in our everyday lives. From testing the quality of the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat, to developing new drugs and materials, the applications of analytical chemistry are vast and varied. To summarize, analytical chemistry is the science of identifying and quantifying the components of a substance. It has two main branches: qualitative analysis, which identifies what is in a sample, and quantitative analysis, which determines how much of each component is present. Techniques such as spectrophotometry and chromatography are commonly used in the field. And lastly, the importance of analytical chemistry in our daily lives cannot be overstated, playing a vital role in everything from environmental testing to pharmaceutical development. So, the next time you marvel at a new scientific discovery or worry about the quality of your environment, remember the role of analytical chemistry. It is the unsung hero of the scientific world, quietly making sense of the world around us.